Most buyers treat the home inspection like a test to pass. And while that's true, it's actually a good time for a second negotiation. I'm Carmen with EXP Realty Northwest Arkansas Branch, and here's why that matters. Almost every inspection turns up something worth addressing. And when it does, you've got options. You can ask the seller to make the repairs before closing, or you can ask for a credit instead so that you can handle the work yourself after closing. And oftentimes the credit is often the cleaner win, where you can control the contractor, the timeline, and the quality. Just be sure to focus on what really matters. Things like health, safety, and the big systems of the house like the roof, the heating, and the foundation. I would suggest to not nickel and dime every little cosmetic thing. That's how you make a seller dig in. And treat the report as a planning tool, not just a bargaining chip. You know, an aging water heater isn't a deal breaker. It's a heads up for your budget. And used well, the inspection can save you real money after you've already agreed on the price. Are you thinking about buying? If so, then let's talk about how to use your inspection as leverage. Just reach out to me anytime.